Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to turn on messages nudges on LinkedIn PC. Why would you want to know how to turn on messages nudges on LinkedIn PC? Well, maybe you are new to LinkedIn. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on messages nudges on LinkedIn PC. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, click on your profile picture and go to setting and privacy. It will take you a new tab. Okay, click on data privacy. Now scroll down till you found messaging experience. Click on message nudges. Okay, receive reminders about messages you haven't responded to. Okay, you can close it easily from here. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to turn on messages nudges on LinkedIn PCs, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.